Welcome back friends in one more video of algal lecture series, and in this video we will discuss about storage products of algae. In this video we will learn about what are various forms of storage products which remain as a reserve in different groups of algae. Broadly, reserve food in algae can be grouped in two categories: high molecular weight compound and low molecular weight compound. High molecular weight compounds are generally alpha 1,4 or alpha 1,3 linked glucans, which can be further subdivided in various forms of starch, laminarin, and many more. On the other hand, low molecular weight compounds are generally mono or disaccharides or either their derivatives. Floridian starch is one of the most important example of high molecular weight compound. It is a alpha 1,4 linked polymer of glucose, mainly occurs in red algae and is similar to the amylopectin of higher plant. This differs from the chlorophyta, where starch is produced inside the chloroplast. But despite the differing location of starch synthesis, the red and green algae use a common pathway in the synthesis of starch. Next, alpha 1,4 linked polymer of glucose of algae is mixophycin starch. As the name suggests, it found in blue-green algae and it has a similar structure to the glycogen. These reserve products occur as alpha granule and the shapes varying between different species of blue-green algae. Starch is also a alpha 1,4 linked polymer of glucose. In the chlorophyta, starch is composed of amylose and amylopectin. Unlike Floridian starch, it occurs inside the chloroplast in the form of starch grain. In the cryptophyta, starch has an unusually high content of amylose and occurs as grain between the chloroplast envelope and the chloroplast endoplasmic reticulum membrane. In the dinophyta, starch also occurs in the cytoplasm outside of the chloroplast. Laminarin is a beta 1,3 linked glucans containing 16 to 31 residue of glucose, and it is mainly found in Phaeophyceae. Laminarin occurs as an oil-like liquid outside of the chloroplast, commonly in the vesicle surrounding the pyrenoids. Chrysolaminarin and paramylone are also polymer of beta 1,3 linked D-glucose. As the name suggests, chrysolaminarin found mainly in Chrysophyceae and Basidiophyceae. It has 2,1,6 glycosidic bond per molecule. It occurs in vesicle outside of the chloroplast and has more glucose unit per molecule than laminarin. On the other hand, paramylone, it consists solely of beta 1,3 linked glucose residues and mainly found in members of Zeugleinophyta and Xanthophyta. It occurs as water-soluble, single membrane bounded inclusions of various shapes and dimensions outside of the chloroplast. It is about as large as that of chrysolaminarin. Next category is of fructogens. As the name suggests, unlike other high molecular weight compounds of polymer of glucose, these are polymers of fructose. These have an inulin-like storage products consisting of series of 1,2 linked fructose unit, which is terminated mainly by glucose end groups, and Acetobularia is the main algae in which this acts as a reserve food. These are low molecular weight compounds which remain as reserve food in various groups of algae, like sucrose, which is a disaccharide of glucose and fructose, mainly found in chlorophyta and Zeugleinophyta, or trehalose, which is a disaccharide of glucose, mainly found in the cyanophyta, and at some small level in the some red algae. Glycosides such as the glycerol glycosides, fluoridoside and isofluoridoside are widely distributed in mainly in red algae. Mannitol, sorbitol, galcitol occurs mainly in red algae and brown algae. They may also replace sucrose as a photosynthetic product in some lower green algae. And the last stage, free glycerol, which is an important photosynthetic product in several zooxanthellae, which remain as endosymbiosis relationship with some animals, as well as in some marine volvocales such as Dunaliella. Apart from these, there are some special reserved food material also found in certain algae. Dear friends, in this video, we have discussed about all major reserved food material of the algae. In the next video, we will discuss different mode of reproduction in algae. Till then, subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Please leave your comments in the comment box so that we can improve ourselves in future videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.